The Legend of Sleepy Hollow by Washington Irving is a gothic story set in a quiet, superstitious village in New York. It follows Ichabod Crane, a school teacher competing with Boom Boons for the love of Katrina Van Tassel. One night, Ichabod encounters the legendary Headless Horseman, a ghost said to haunt the area. After a terrifying chase, Ichabod mysteriously disappeared, leaving his fate uncertain. The story blended humor, mystery, and folklore, exploring themes of superstitions, rivalry, and the power of storytelling. The story critiques excessive superstitions and vanity, illustrating consequences of letting fears and material desire dictate actions. The headless horseman symbolized the dangers of unchecked imagination and misplaced priorities, encouraging reflection on how fear and ambition shape human experience. Set in a superstitious village, Irving Tale follows Ichabod Crane, a vain, gullible schoolteacher whose rivalry for Katrina Van Tassel culminates in airy encounters with the headless horseman. The story blends folklore, humor, and horror, using Ichabod's character to explore themes of fear, pride, and perception.